What's good with it, y'all? Back again, another video, Raw TV. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how to make money online. So if you guys are new to my channel, please, you already know the deal. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can start making money online, okay? And what are the real ways to really make money online. So I learned a lot from this journey, like just in general, and a lot of things that I've learned through the process is basically like research and stuff like that. And Google, we in a time where Google can pretty much tell you anything. You got Siri tell you anything. So a lot of things is research, but not only does the research help, you have to not only research but put action towards it. So first thing to make money online, first is you got to take action. So if you're willing to take action, stay tuned. So look, basically I'm gonna tell y'all one of the best ways to make money online today in 2022 is starting a YouTube channel. Y'all know, like, starting a YouTube channel is a good way of making money online, and it's a passive income. But not only is it passive, it slowly can turn to, a major income. It all depends on the fruits of your labor. You know what I'm saying? As you shy person, or is you like a driven person, or if you got that entrepreneur spirit, then go for it because it's worth it. Trust me, y'all. I started this YouTube channel about I want to say like a year or 2 years, and I'm finally monetized. And I can honestly say, like, man, it's like, it feels good because I'm like, I can finally see the benefits of, starting something, and then like, the results is coming in now. So having a YouTube channel is a good thing, you know what I'm saying? So another way you can make right now money online, okay? Start a Fiverr account, okay? Fiverr account is good if you got some type of skill and something already, whether it's something that like you went to school for or anything like that, like designing, creating cover arts, whatever you might be good at doing. If you feel like you can give to the world, make your Fiverr account. It's free to make. YouTube is free to make. So those are two freebies that you can start. And then Fiverr, you basically they charge you, they take a small little fee, or like whatever you like making stuff, they take like a small little fee, but you can really make a business out of it. I know this personally because I have one, and not only that, I use it too. So like, to help with my business, I hire other people to do the job, and it feels good because I do a lot, y'all. Having a YouTube channel, 2 YouTube channels, music, working a job, having a business, it's a lot for me. So when I actually pay somebody to do the work, and as you see results, it really is a relief, and it's a win-win situation for best consumers and the person that's trying to start a business. So those are two things basically online. Another 3 thing, if you already started like a social media buzz back in when you created it and you got a high following account, a good way to make money, I heard like a lot of people, they charge for posts. So you could be a social media marketer online, you could be an influencer. So that's a good way to make money online, being an influencer. I know a lot of people, they do shout outs, they charge $100. They make money on Instagram. So Instagram is definitely a still heavy tool. It's not as bad as like other platforms that might not be as strong as Instagram. Still kind of hold its weight. So you can actually make money off posters on Instagram. So like little side hustles and stuff like that. So right now that's 3. So right, YouTube, having a YouTube channel, make a Fiverr account, start doing stuff on Instagram. Those are already 3, right? So another way you can start making like real money online is basically you can really start a business. Now y'all already know that's the easy one, but y'all really don't understand, like, you can really make money online, shopping online. That's like, we in a time where everybody shops online, like Amazon's online. You know what I mean? So if you don't want to have a storefront and buy the land and buy the commercial like building and stuff like that, you could start a whole online, you know what I'm saying, storefront, and you know what I mean, you could make money online from right from the house. Whether it don't have to, it can be anything. You can sell clothes, you can sell jewelry online. You can do a lot of stuff just for having an online thing. And I know like 2 websites that one I use personally. You can sign up for it's not a sponsor, but you can sign up for a Square account, and you can start a website right now, get a domain name. And it's another video I'm gonna make for that about starting a website. But you can sign up for Square, or you can sign up for a drop shipping account. So those is 4 real tips on real ways on how to make money online. So if you really are new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to make money, if you want to learn about real estate, or you want to check out one of my vlogs, check me out, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video. You already know, Raw TV. Peace.